slow English with fun.
I walk to my wardrobe.
I walk to my wardrobe.
I open the wardrobe door.
I open the wardrobe door.
I pick a dress.
I pick a dress.
I put on the dress.
I put on the dress.
I grab a short jacket.
I grab a short jacket.
I put on the jacket.
I put on the jacket.
I check the mirror.
I check the mirror.
I fix my hair.
I fix my hair.
I put on earrings.
I put on earrings.
I check the time.
I check the time.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I tie the laces.
I tie the laces.
I grab my bag.
I grab my bag.
I make sure I have everything.
I make sure I have everything.
I take my keys and phone.
I take my keys and phone.
I take my water bottle.
I take my water bottle.
I take a final look around.
I take a final look around.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I open the front door.
I open the front door.
I lock the door.
I lock the door.
I step outside slowly.
I step outside slowly.
The busy city wakes up.
The busy city wakes up.
Cool air hits my face.
Cool air hits my face.
Shops are starting to open up.
Shops are starting to open up.
I pass a small cafe.
I pass a small cafe.
Everyone's holding a coffee.
Everyone's holding a coffee.
I walk down the street.
I walk down the street.
I smell some fresh bread.
I smell some fresh bread.
I put on my headphones.
I put on my headphones.
I play a good podcast.
I play a good podcast.
I walk and I listen.
I walk and I listen.
I stop at the red light.
I stop at the red light.
I see cars waiting.
I see cars waiting.
I look both ways.
I look both ways.
I cross the road safely.
I cross the road safely.
I walk to a bus stop.
I walk to a bus stop.
I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
I watch the cars go by.
I watch the cars go by.
Here comes my bus.
Here comes my bus.
I take out my bus card.
I take out my bus card.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
I tap my card to pay.
I tap my card to pay.
I sit by the window.
I sit by the window.
The view moves outside.
The view moves outside.
People scroll on their phones.
People scroll on their phones.
I'm getting off next.
I'm getting off next.
I'll move closer to the door.
I'll move closer to the door.
My stop is coming soon.
My stop is coming soon.
I get off the bus.
I get off the bus.